Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. For this video, I'm gonna use this picture, so share it to Snapseed. And click to Tools option and crop it. After that, click to Tools option again and go to double exposure. From here, go to Gallery and select the photo. For this editing, I'm gonna use this sky photo. Then adjust it with the photo. After that, click to layer back option and go to view edits and erase it. Hey dude, if you don't subscribe my channel yet, then subscribe it and also press the bell icon for more updates. And also like, comment and share with your friends on social media.
Close till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
After erasing it, click to OK option and from here, click to the left arrow and go to Tools option and choose Portrait mode and do some little adjustment here.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
After doing all the adjustment, click to the Done option to save the photo to your gallery. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, take care. Goodbye. See you in the next video.